Hello guys, welcome to my channel Legit Online Earning, and today I'm gonna show you the project. As you can see on my computer screen, that Worlds TLM token. As you most of the traders, most of you guys know that Binance has announced that they're going to list their 19th project on the Binance launch pool. Okay, and the token is called Worlds TLM. So, and it's a non-fungible token. And NFTs, nowadays NFTs are growing, like, they are making a lot of money, a lot of money these days. And every other day, a lot of people have made so much money that whenever NFT is about to launch on any big exchange like Binance, people make a lot of money. So this is an opportunity for a lot of you guys, and let's have a look at this token TLM. The token name is Alien World, okay, and the maximum token supply is almost 1 billion, I think so, if I'm not wrong. And token supply will be this, and launch for reward this and this. The main thing is that they are going to launch on the day of, that's the date, 13th of April 2021, 6 a.m. UTC time. You can check your time according to your local area. So what they know, right now you can't buy TLM on from nothing, from no, you don't have any other option. But I have got this one for you guys, the TLM. You can buy the TLM from one exchange. I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video, but right now let's check it out. The deposits and the withdrawals of TLM on the Waxp blockchain will not be supported on Binance. So they mean to say, they have the website named, let me check you, Alien World, because they support the Wax. This token is on Wax blockchain, and they have the contract of Ethereum. So they, their main website, you can play game and you can earn TLM. I had played, let me show you. Let me first show you how I played and how much I had in my account from the TLM, and you can see 57% price has been raised since the announcement of TLM. And you can also get TLM tokens by staking BNB and BUSD, and I had staked this amount, you can see here, and I have claimed 2 TLM by now. You can check my claim history. If I click on the claim history, you can see this is the time, and you can see on my right side, this is the tokens TLM, and I am receiving this right now. They haven't shown the APY, but I have got this amount maybe in 12 hours maybe. Okay, and you can see the staked amount is almost 10 million. So, and there's a lot of hype is being created these days, and lot of hype for this token Alien Worlds TLM, because it's a gaming token. And let me show you where I was. Yeah, there you go. Let me log in. But you can't transfer your TLM earned from this website, alienworlds.io. You can't ship because it's on the because the wallet is connected to Wax blockchain, so you can't transfer the. There you go. Let me show you. This is the token. You say TLM staked balance. I have this amount 0.6539 here in this website, but you can't. This token cannot be withdrawn, and this is what they have said in there. This line. This means that you can't shift your tokens from any Wax blockchain. Okay, so how we can get the TLM token? Well, I have got one website, and the website is, let me show you, there you go, MXC. A lot of tokens which are being announced on the Binance exchange are already listed on MXC exchanges. Most of the times I have seen that, and maybe they have started the yesterday I saw that there was no TLM token on the MXC exchange. They just announced, they just listed today, and there you go. Let me show you this time. Let's see. Yeah, they listed it on 6th. Okay, they listed on the 6th of April, and you can see the price, initial price started from $0.4, and it's now at 3.3. Let me check. They have, wow, that's a lot of percentage, as they said that approximately 500%. Well, you can see if this token launches on the Binance, you can imagine the growth. You have seen in the past that many projects like the MyAlias and the SFP, they have gone, they have gone wildly, 1,000-2,000% in a one day, in a single day. And you can see right now they have 6,503 watch lists, and in the morning it was only 200. And that's why the hype has been created. As you can also see in this section, this is going to be on trending once it get listed on the let